What if you could wake up feeling truly refreshed and rejuvenated every day? Are you struggling with sleep quality or waking up feeling like you didn't get enough rest? You might be surprised to know that it's not just about how much you sleep, but also what you do before bed that plays a huge role in how well your body recovers overnight. In today's video, we'll explore 5 evening routines that can help your body recover overnight, ensuring that you wake up feeling energized and ready to take on the day. From enhancing sleep quality to improving muscle recovery and mental clarity, these routines are simple yet powerful ways to optimize your evening for ultimate recovery. Now let's dive in. 1. Turn off screens. How often do you find yourself scrolling on your phone right before bed, unable to put it down? Did you know that using digital devices late at night could be making it harder for your body to recover while you sleep? As you prepare for bed, turning off all screens, phones, tablets, computers, and TVs, at least 60 minutes before you sleep can significantly improve your sleep quality. The blue light emitted by digital devices tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime, reducing melatonin production, which in turn makes it harder to fall asleep and have deep, restorative rest. By limiting screen time before bed, you signal to your brain that it's time to wind down and prepare for sleep. Instead of scrolling through social media, consider reading a physical book, listening to calm music, or having a peaceful chat with a loved one. These activities not only reduce stress but also promote relaxation, allowing your body to enter a more restful state for sleep. Try setting up a nightly digital sunset to improve the quality of your sleep and, ultimately, your recovery. You'll be amazed at how much better you feel the next morning. 2. Take a warm bath or shower. How often do you find yourself struggling to wind down after a long day? Sometimes the best way to signal to your body that it's time for bed is by taking a warm bath or shower. Taking a warm bath 60 to 90 minutes before bed can work wonders for your body's ability to recover overnight. The heat raises your body temperature, and the subsequent cooling down process, once you exit the bath, helps trigger the release of melatonin, the hormone responsible for regulating your sleep cycle. This natural cooling effect signals to your body that it's time to rest and repair itself. The warmth also soothes tense muscles and promotes relaxation, allowing your body to unwind both physically and mentally. For added benefits, consider adding Epsom salts to the water. Epsom salts are known for their ability to soothe sore muscles, reduce inflammation, and promote relaxation. This is especially helpful if you've had a physically demanding day and want to ensure your muscles are ready to recover overnight. Soaking in a bath or taking a shower also provides a physical transition from the day's activities to a calmer state, which helps prepare your mind for sleep. Creating a calming bath or shower routine can become a cherished self-care practice, helping you to de-stress and embrace a slower pace before bedtime. Whether you enjoy a long soak in the tub or a quick hot shower, make it a ritual to nurture your body and mind at the end of each day. With the added benefit of relaxation, your body will be primed for better sleep and a deeper, more effective overnight recovery. 3. Practice light stretching or yoga. How many of us carry the stress of the day in our bodies, especially in areas like our hips, shoulders, or lower back? Gentle stretching or light yoga before bed can help release tension, ease discomfort, and prepare your body for deep, restful sleep. Taking just 5 to 10 minutes to perform gentle stretches or a few restorative yoga poses can significantly improve your sleep quality. Focus on the areas of your body that tend to hold the most tension, like your shoulders, back, and hips. Not only will stretching ease muscle tightness, but it also stimulates the parasympathetic nervous system, which promotes relaxation and reduces anxiety. As you go through your stretches or yoga poses, concentrate on your breathing, taking slow, deep breaths to calm your mind and enhance the body's natural ability to release stress. Incorporating this simple practice into your evening routine can help you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. When you release physical tension, your body can rest more deeply, aiding in muscle repair and reducing stress levels. Whether it's a few yoga poses or just some deep stretches, giving your body the time to unwind is essential for your overall health and recovery. You can even create a personalized stretching or yoga sequence that you enjoy, which will make this part of your nightly routine something to look forward to. Furthermore, practicing light stretching or yoga consistently will not only improve your sleep, but also your overall flexibility and mobility. Over time, you'll notice fewer aches and pains, and your body will become more resilient to stress. This will further support your ability to recover effectively each night. 4. Unload your mind with journaling. How many times do you find your mind racing with thoughts, worries, or tasks you didn't finish during the day? One of the best ways to calm your mind before bed is through journaling. Taking 5 to 10 minutes to write down your thoughts, goals, or even what you're grateful for can help clear your mind and prepare it for restful sleep. Brain dumps, or writing down everything on your mind, can help release worries and stress that might otherwise keep you awake. This simple act allows your brain to switch from work mode to recovery mode by reducing anxiety and calming your thoughts. In addition to clearing your mind, keeping a gratitude journal can have a profound effect on your mindset and mental well-being. Writing down a few things you're thankful for each night can shift your perspective to a more positive outlook, helping you let go of any negativity from the day. Plus, when you start journaling, you're establishing a habit that allows you to reflect and reset your mindset before sleep. Journaling gives your mind the space to unwind, promoting relaxation and creating a peaceful mindset. With regular journaling, you'll notice that your sleep quality improves, as you're not carrying the day's mental clutter with you into the night. Over time, you'll also experience improved emotional regulation, as journaling helps you better understand your thoughts and feelings. This will contribute to a more restful, rejuvenating sleep and a stronger, more focused mind upon waking. 5. Optimize your sleep environment. Do you know that small adjustments to your bedroom environment can drastically improve your sleep quality? Creating the ideal sleep setting is an often overlooked step in helping your body recover overnight. For optimal recovery, aim to create a cool, dark, and quiet sleep environment. Set the thermostat between 65 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit, 16 to 20 degrees Celsius, for a cooler, more comfortable sleep. The right temperature helps regulate your body's internal clock, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep longer. A cool bedroom encourages your body to release melatonin and enhances the restorative power of your sleep. Blocking out all light is another crucial element in optimizing your sleep environment. Consider using blackout curtains or an eye mask to ensure that no artificial light interferes with your circadian rhythm. Even a small amount of light can disrupt your body's natural sleep cycle and reduce the quality of your rest. Keep the noise levels down, too. A quiet room or the use of white noise can help you sleep soundly through the night. Research shows that a dark and quiet room can significantly improve your deep sleep phases, which are essential for full-body recovery. Creating a peaceful and optimized sleep environment is an essential part of your recovery routine. These adjustments will not only help you fall asleep faster, but also ensure that your body gets the restful, restorative sleep it needs for the next day. Over time, you'll notice improved focus, reduced stress, and greater overall well-being as a result of your commitment to a great sleep environment. There you have it, 5 evening routines that can help your body recover and recharge overnight. From reducing stress through mindfulness to optimizing your sleep environment, these simple yet effective strategies can ensure that you wake up feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on how to improve your well-being and live a healthier life. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.